My dog. You're in heaven. Oh, why would God consider old Ace worthy of eternity? He was the only dog I ever had, and when he died, well, that was it, man. No more dogs for me. And now here we are. Amazing. Oh, Ace. Ace, I'm sorry, buddy. I'm sorry. It was an accident. I'm sorry. I shot him. We were out hunting, and I shot him, and I didn't know.
It's okay now.
I'm sorry.
Yeah, Jimmy, you can't live in those memories anymore. That's in a past life. It's over. It's gone. You ready to let go of him?
Yes. Yes.
Just close your eyes. Go ahead. Here we go.
Hey, what were we just talking about?
Nothing. Nothing at all.
Hey, Mr. Jim, do you remember me?
Help me out.
You used to come and visit me in the orphanage. Don't you remember? And you'd bring Ace with you?
Luis. Yes, of course, Luis.
Those were fun times, Mr. Jim. It meant the world to me. And then I got sick, but I'm not sick anymore. I love this place, Mr. Jim, and I'm glad you're here now. Ace and I, we've been having fun. Right, boy? I've been taking good care of him for you.
Thank you. Thank you, Luis.
Mr. Jim, I know you have an appointment, so I'll go ahead and take Ace back to your house for you, okay?
My house?
See, it's right over there. It's your mansion, Mr. Jim. We all have one. Come on, Ace.